crowd of around 50,000 have turned out to Apia Park for one of the highlights of the Golden Jubilee celebrations, UB40 in concert, supported by Sons and Daughters of the Pacific.
Salafalova the Skink RPC.
Salafalova the Shefu.
And we would like to send the biggest alofas out to the island of Samoa and the peoples of Samoa and Monguiela celebrations for the 50th year of independence. Much love, Samoa, Samoa.
Yeah, on behalf of my man and myself, it's just a real honor to be here, to share this moment with you, everybody. In Samoa, we love you, and just hold that pride, and just, it's your time to celebrate, yo.
When I say blue, you say sky, blue, blue. When I say blue, you say sky, blue. Yeah, live on transforming our form. Still keep the speakers like cold future charm.
Hello, we're UB40. We just want to say happy birthday, happy 50th year of independence, Samoa.
Congratulations.
Manuia.
Well done.
It is such a big deal, you know, for the people of Samoa to be celebrating this independence. But for us, obviously we're celebrating with them, but we're celebrating by doing what we do all over the world, which is play concerts, you know.
Yeah, it's just like every island around the world seems to adopt reggae music as their music, and it's like it's an international language. You might not understand the words, but you understand the beat, and everybody can relate to that.
We fight for the right to be free. We build our own society. We sing, we will sing our song.
Over the past 50 years, Samoa's been writing their own history on multiple fronts. In sports, they've stormed onto the rugby world. Samoan Michael Jones, the first try scorer of the 1987 Rugby World Cup. Then in 1991, Manu Samoa in their first World Cup beat Wales to make the quarter-finals. And in 2010, Samoa picks up their first Commonwealth Games gold medals. The government's prided itself on economic stability and the changes it's implemented, from the side of the road you drive on to the shifting of its international dateline to be better aligned with main trading partners New Zealand and Australia. And all over the globe, Samoans have made their mark. Discus thrower Beatrice Faumuina, heavyweight contender David Tua, and American-based actor and professional wrestler Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But with the highs, some devastating lows. Samoa's experienced some of the most destructive natural disasters in the 90s Cyclone Ofa, followed by Cyclone Val almost 2 years later. The political assassination in 1999 of Luangalau Levaulakamu shocked the nation. And then the 2009 tsunami, the tidal wave of death that claimed nearly 200 lives and laid waste much of the southern coast of Samoa.
There are times when our efforts have been stifled by disasters. We had to come back and rebuild. And this is the kind of effort that we continuously have to do in order to keep up.
And it's the spirit that's taken to the streets in the celebrations. Samoan pride on display from Vaisingano to the government building.
We'd like to think that we've become better people, more understanding, more insights, and that we're better prepared to cope with the economic problems of the world today, because we've been fashioned, by struggle and by adversity.
I think for all Whakawhinis being Samoan, it's really, really important for us to take part in this. This is a milestone in our country. It's also a milestone for us from a cultural perspective, because we're the only country in the world that accepts Whakawhinis for who they are. And we are an integral part of any community, in the villages, in public service, and in our family and the churches that we serve in. Absolutely crucial for us to be a part of it.
Fautasi Racing's the grand finale of the independence celebrations, and this year draws record-breaking crowds. The course starts in Apia Harbour out front of Aggie Gray's Hotel, all Fautasi heading to their turning point at Whaleula before racing back to the start line in a 16-kilometre round trip. It's an early morning start, and one of the favoured boats, Don Bosco's Singaval 3, is bunched in the middle of the field. But on the leg to the finish, they managed to get to the front of the pack. The only female captain on the water puts a lot of it down to the new boat's design.
For the new boat, it's a slimmer version of the Singaval 2, and I designed it because I designed it and turned it, the Fautasi designs into, like you're looking at it now, it's like a pau pau, a Polynesian Samoan canoe. And because our ancestors built these crafts to sail on the waves, and it absolutely sails beautifully and it rows beautifully. Because if you look at the bow and you look at the stern, it's just like a pau pau. And I've turned a Fautasi into a long version of a pau pau, a Samoan pau pau. And I'm a very proud Samoan woman, and it's also because it's once in a lifetime experience for me, and also for the Singaval Don Bosco boys. And I think they're 15, 16 years old, these rowers, and they will be 62 when we reach the next 100 years.
Congratulations Samoa for 50 years of Independence Day, hopefully many more to come.
Malo lava Samoa, I'm Saniboo Williams, happy 50th birthday.
Congratulations Samoa for 50 years of independence. It's a big milestone, but there are many more to come. So let's stand up and be proud and be Samoan as one.
Malo lava Samoa, alofa teleatu, to finger from Wellington, Samoan proud, Iamanguia.
Talofa Samoa, congratulations on celebrating 50 years of independence. I wish you all the best. God bless.
Malo lava Samoa, happy 50th birthday. Malo lava Limsai. Yeah, alofa le tumfa pa iamfa manuia.
Ooh, Samoa lo nu'upelina. Congratulations to you for 50 years of independence. I celebrate you, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us and for our people. O'a'u o'oi, o'oi o'a'u. I love you, Samoa.
The best in history, the loveliest things in history, the imagery, the poetry, the love, the sharing of our history. This is something that we can all get together and bring to us so that it will speak very powerfully, not only to this generation, but the generations after, and be able to say, this is part of our psyche, This is how it speaks to my heart and my soul. And it's worth sharing, not only with people, but also with my children and their children.
Love the stars to our new homebound. Tangata Pacifica, born a people proud. People of the stars to our new homebound. Tangata Pacifica, born a people proud. People of the sun, our heritage grows on. Tangata Pacifica, keep our culture strong.